Hello Flutes, and welcome to our first guided music practice video. In today's lesson, we are going to be reviewing our E-flat major scale, our dotted crotchet and how to count it, as well as dynamics. You will be successful when you can count and play the dotted crotchet in Alouetta on page 26, when you can play the E-flat major scale skill on page 28, and when you can do the dynamics in exercise 131 on page 29. Let's get started. First of all, let's have a quick reminder of what the E-flat major scale is. Have a look at the beginning. How many flats are there? Remember how to play a B-flat? Or and our E-flat, and our A-flat, which is 1, 2, 3, pinky. Remember, this is a natural and this is a flat. So play A-flat, and the high one. So that's the 3 flats in our E-flat major scale. Please pause here and practice those 3 notes. Now look at exercise 126 on page 28. It starts in our low E-flat, which we already know is the same as our middle E-flat, but with our first finger down. Play that now. Play that note 5 times in a row until it feels really easy. Now look at the next note. E-flat and then F. Play those 2 notes. See if you work out how to play the next note in order. So E-flat, F, and then what's next? G. Play those 3. E-flat. Next note is A-flat. So you need to have your pinky down for A-flat, then B-flat, C, D, and E-flat. Save the notes and do the fingers from the beginning. E-flat, F, G, A-flat, B-flat, C, D, E-flat, D, C, B-flat, A-flat, G, F, E-flat, 2, 3, rest. E-flat, G, B-flat, E-flat, D, B-flat, A-flat, F, E-flat, 2, 3, rest. G, F, E-flat. Now let's play it together, making sure that you're saying the notes in your head while you're playing so that you don't get confused. Now turn back a page to exercise 26. Oh, it's not exercise, page 26, exercise 116, Alouetta. What do you notice is the same from the scale we just played to this song? Hopefully you said the 3 flats at the beginning. So this is in the same key signature and is based on the same scale as E-flat major, the E-flat major key signature and the E-flat major scale, which means all the way through this piece, we're going to have A-flats. In the scale, we only played our low A-flat, so let's play our high A-flat now. And play the low one, and the high one. Hopefully that's easy. Now let's look at the very first note. In this song, we are practicing our dotted crotchet rhythm. So remember, you need to count 1, 2 before you can move to the next note, because the dot steals the first half of beat 2 and puts it in with beat 1. For example, E dot F G G, or E to F G G. So it should sound like this. Try that now. Were you counting in your head? Do it one more time. Now play it with me. How did you go? Were you able to count the dot in your head? Hopefully the answer is yes. Now we're going to sing and do the fingers for the first 2 bars. E dot F G G, F E F G E B. And let's just play those 2 bars. Now it's your turn. Pause and practice it at least 3 times. Now let's do the next 2 bars, singing and fingers. E dot F G G, F E F G E 2. Let's play that together. Pause and practice those 2 bars on your own. Good. Now play from the beginning all the way to the end of the first line on your own. Pause it here. Now play it with me. See if you can work out the fingerings and saying on your own for the last 4 bars. Now let's see if we can play the last 4 bars together. How did you go remembering our 3 flats at the beginning? Did you remember to play A flat? Now notice how it says D C Al fine at the end of that line where we just finished the B flat. What does that mean? Hopefully you remember that it means we need to go back to the beginning and start again. So let's go from the beginning one more time. Give yourself a score out of 10. If your number was less than 5, practice it 5 more times. If your number was less than 7, practice it 3 more times. If your number was less than 10, practice it at least 1 more time. Pause here. Now let's play the whole song. How did you go playing the dotted crotchet rhythms? Were you able to count it in your head? Pause, rewind, and practice that as many times as you need to until you feel like you can accurately count the dotted crotchet. Now let's turn the page back again to page 29, and we're going to go and look at 131, practicing all of the dynamics that are on the page. So have a look. So we have our piano, soft, to our crescendo, to mezzo forte, medium loud. So it stays medium loud all the way to here, and then it gets softer, decrescendo. Piano, crescendo, mezzo forte. Name this one out loud. Decrescendo. This one, piano, which means soft. This one means loud. Good. Now pause here and practice singing the fingers and doing the dynamics with our singing. Now let's do it again together. D, G, E, F, F, E, D, C, B, B, C, D, D, dot, C, C, D, D, E, F, F, E, D, C, B, B, C, D, C, dot, B, B, C, C, D, B, C, D, E, D, B, C, D, E, D, C, B, C, F. Now louder. D, D, E, F, F, E, D, C, B, B, C, D, C, dot, B, B. How did you go with your dynamics? Pause it, practice it one more time, singing and fingers, and then we're going to play it together. Playing from the beginning, remember to use lots of air. How did you go with your dynamics? Remember, you will always need to exaggerate them so that your audience can hear the dynamic changes. If you just play them for yourself, they'll sound really soft to anyone who's listening. See if you can recruit a family member or parent or extended family member who is living with you to come and listen to your dynamics and help you understand whether you're playing louder or softer. Let's play it one more time together with smart music, doing our best dynamics. with your goals for this session. Were you successful in playing your dynamics? Were you successful in counting your dotted crotchets? Were you successful in playing the correct key signature of E flat major? Hopefully the answer to all those questions is yes. If you're unsure, go back, play them again, ask someone to listen. Remember, you can send me smart music assignments and let me know if this is too fast or too slow for you, and hopefully we can make the next video even better. Keep up the good work and happy practicing.